Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Bitdefender error code 1020. The error reads, "Update encountered an error. Please check your internet connection and try again. If the problem persists, please contact support for a resolution." As per our research, the error comes when users try to update Bitdefender. Many users shared that this issue usually appears during major updates and stops the update process completely. According to our research, this error is likely caused by internet issues, conflicting antivirus software, or a corrupted installation of Bitdefender. First, make sure you don't have any other antivirus software installed on your device. If you do, uninstall it, as it might interfere with Bitdefender. If the error still comes, then power cycle your internet connection. Also, if possible, connect over a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi and try again. If the error still comes, then try using a different network to update Bitdefender. So connect to another network and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then uninstall the Bitdefender app using the Bitdefender uninstall tool. You can download this tool from the official Bitdefender website. Once uninstalled, reinstall the app and check if the error is resolved. If nothing helps, then contact Bitdefender support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.